Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could download and install the Microsoft Net Framework 3.1. To begin, you need to open your browser and type www.microsoft.com. Once you have access to the official website, click on the search and type Microsoft Net, or you can simply type Net Framework 3.5. Yes, you heard me correctly, 3.5, just for now. Open the page of the first option, download Microsoft.NET, scroll down, and here you will be able to download actually the 3.1. Just click on download. It will download for you 3.5, but here below it, you have download installer 3.1. So this is the way or the workaround how you can find it. Click on Windows Installer 3.1 to begin. Scroll down and then click download the Windows Installer 3.1 redistributable. Here you will need to select the option which you want. Personally, I went for the bigger one, 2.5, since it includes also the first one. So I will click download on the right and we'll wait. And here, Microsoft Windows Installer, click again on this in blue or this title in blue, and the download should begin. It shows as done. I will click to open the file where it has been saved. So here we have it. Just right click, run as administrator. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow the app to make changes. You can go ahead and click yes. You will need to wait a bit and then the installation process will begin for you. You can go ahead and